Let's dive into the essential accounting process of posting special journals. Understanding this process is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. So let's get started. First, let's briefly discuss what special journals are. These journals are used to record specific types of transactions that occur frequently, such as sales, purchases, cash receipts, and cash disbursements. Each type of special journal simplifies the recording of these repetitive transactions, making the accounting process more efficient. Now, let's move on to the steps involved in posting the totals and individual amounts from these journals to the general ledger and subsidiary ledgers. The process begins with summarizing the transactions in each special journal at the end of a specific period, usually a month. Start by adding up each column to determine the monthly total for each type of transaction. This total represents the aggregated amount of all transactions recorded in that column during the period. Next, we'll post these totals to the general ledger. Choose the appropriate ledger accounts that correspond to each column in the special journal. For instance, the total from the sales journal will be posted to the sales revenue account in the general ledger. Similarly, the totals from other special journals are posted to their respective ledger accounts. These postings help maintain an organized view of the company's financial activities for the period. After posting the totals, it's time to focus on the individual amounts recorded in each journal. These amounts need to be posted to the subsidiary ledgers. Subsidiary ledgers provide the detailed breakdown for accounts such as accounts receivable and accounts payable. By updating these ledgers, you'll keep track of individual customer or supplier accounts, ensuring accurate and up-to-date records. Always remember to include references in the ledgers to trace back to the original journal entry. This step is vital for ensuring transparency and ease of auditing. Finally, ensure all postings are verified and checked for accuracy. Mistakes in the posting process can lead to significant discrepancies in financial reporting. So take the time to review and reconcile these records with bank statements or other financial documents. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on posting from special journals to ledgers. By following these steps diligently, you'll maintain precise and reliable financial records. What if you use bookkeeping software? The software uses modules instead of special journals, and the postings are done automatically. You also have real-time financial information available at the touch of a button.